Hey guys, welcome to another video with me today. If you're new here, my name is Gloria, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing Stronger With You by Emporio Armani. Okay, everyone is saying that Stronger With You intensely or intense is not good, that Stronger With You is more better than intensely or intense, whatever. So today I am here to unbox this perfume. I haven't smelled it yet. I'm here to unbox this perfume to see how bad it is, because people say it's bad. It's not as good as Stronger With You, the original. So this one is like the intense version of Stronger With You. So this is the perfume I'm talking about. Too much talk. This is the perfume I'm talking about. So let's unbox it. Let's see if it smells good or bad. Welcome back. So now I'm going to be unboxing this perfume to see what it smells like, if it's bad, if it's good. Stay with me, let's do it together. All right. Already open, yeah. This is what the package looks like. It's nothing special. It's just a regular package, nothing special. Okay, let's see what the bottle looks like. I'm sure you know what the bottle looks like because it's everywhere. I just want to know how it feels like when you hold. Now the bottle is fine. I like it. It feels expensive. Like you're holding the bottle. It feels expensive, but the cover. Okay. I thought it wasn't closing properly, but it's actually closing properly. It's fine. I like this thing here. I don't know what to call this, but I like it. It looks and feels like luxury. You know, it feels like luxury. It feels, even though the perfume is expensive, I will not lie. I am not going to lie. This perfume is expensive. It's selling for like 65,000 now. Okay, so I'm not here to tell you that it's cheap. This one is not cheap, but you know, there are some things you buy, even though they are expensive, they don't feel like they're expensive. But this actually, it feels expensive. Okay, now to the juice. Okay, wow, the Armani logo is inside the cup. I don't know if you can see. It's inside the cup, the cover. Okay, for the juice, let's see. It smells sweet. It smells sweet, but a well blended kind of sweet. It's not sweet, but it's a sweet perfume, but it's well blended. Let me keep this one first. It's well blended. It smells like it has coffee in it. It's a male perfume. Of course it's a male perfume. Of course it's a male perfume, but I like this perfume. So what are people saying about this perfume, that they don't like it or something? Or it's not, does not smell nice? What are they saying? This perfume on a man who is so nice, I'm telling you. I'm sorry, I don't know what people are talking about. I don't know what they are smelling, that they are saying they don't like the perfume, or it's not nice, or it's not, I don't know. This perfume is smelling very nice. It's smelling nice, smelling sweet, with a blend of, is it coffee? With a blend of, I cannot pinpoint it, but this is like a special kind of sweet perfume for men. This is not sweet, but it's sweet, it's fresh, it's not, you know, like Acqua di Gio, Giorgio Armani, you know, that one is, when you smell that one is fresh. You just know that this one is the fresh scent for mature men. That is the vibe that Acqua di Gio gives. Okay, Acqua di Gio, the Profumo, yes, that's the vibe it gives. It gives like a mature, fresh vibe. When you want to go for a fresh, mature scent, you go for Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio Profumo. Yeah, but if you're talking about sweet, mature scent, I think this is it. This is it. What I would do is to smell the intense. This one is the intense one. I think what I would do is I'll have to smell or bring the stronger with you, the normal stronger with you, the first one, before the intense one. This is the intense one. I will have to bring the stronger with you, then smell it, because I don't know what people are saying. They say this one is not as good as that one, but me, I like this one. Maybe because I've not smelled the first one, okay, but I have to bring that one here, and then we'll do a comparison between this and that one, and then we'll know which one smells better than which one. Okay, and then I'll have to, you know, play with this perfume as usual, so I can bring you the very best. I'll have to play with this perfume, and then I'll come back with the review of this perfume. But for now, my first impression, I like it. I like it. It smells fresh, not too, it smells, it's like a blend of fresh and sweet. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think this, you can wear this one to a club. You can wear this one to a club. You can wear this one to a party. You can actually wear it to the office if you're that type of person like me that don't have season or time when you wear your perfumes. Okay, but this one is like a blend of fresh and sweet and mature. This perfume is not for, you know what I mean? This one is for mature people. If you're looking for that mature scent, this is it. This one is not for boys in their 20s, in their early 20s, or in their like teenage boys, or no, this one is not. This one is not playful like that. This one is a mature scent for grown-ups. Okay, this one is for grown-ups. This is it. I like it. I can't get over it. I'm sorry, but is it weird if I spray it? I'm sure a woman can spray it. Can use it too. Ah. It smells nice. I like it. First impression, I like it. I like the bottle. I like the atomizer, works really good. See, it works really good. the cover even have the designer logo here, or designer's logo. Sorry, English is not my father's language. Okay, the logo is here. I like the bottle. It feels, I can't get over this bottle, I'm sorry, but it feels really, it feels good, smooth. The perfume is smooth, the bottle is smooth, I like it. Okay, for first impression, this one is a 10/10 for me. I don't know if you have used it. If you don't like it, I don't know, but tell me what you think, you know, in the comment section. Let me know if I am the only one who likes this perfume. I can't be the only one who likes this perfume in the whole universe. It's not possible. Okay, so tell me, let me know what you think. If you used it, if you like it, if you don't, let me know your thoughts on this. Until I see you in my next video, until I come your way in my next video, I remain your humble servant, Gloria Akajako. My name is Gloria. I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.